Mother Nature is a force to be reckoned with, displaying her power in awe-inspiring and terrifying ways. From the fiery eruptions of volcanoes to the unstoppable force of floods, she reminds us who truly rules the earth. Landslides and storms show her unpredictable side, striking without warning. In this video, we capture those moments when nature unleashes her fury. Prepare to witness the raw power of the planet. These are the times when Mother Nature gets truly angry. Perhaps we should first look a little bit at volcanoes. Volcanoes are like Earth's way of letting off a little steam, only with molten lava, ash clouds, and the occasional town evacuation. When a volcano erupts, it's just Mother Nature throwing the ultimate tantrum, complete with fireworks. Landslides are nature's way of rearranging the landscape, no construction crew needed. It's like the mountains decided they were bored with their current view and just slid into something more comfortable, taking everything in their path along for the ride. Of course, the mountain's new, downhill, style isn't exactly what the locals had in mind. But hey, when Mother Nature redecorates, she doesn't ask for permission, she just rolls with it, literally. Avalanches are like winter's version of a spontaneous snowball fight, except the snowball is the size of a mountain. When the snow decides to go for a downhill sprint, everything in its path better be ready to join the race. Flash floods are nature's way of saying, surprise. Here's a river where you least expected it. They team up with landslides for the ultimate makeover, transforming solid ground into a wild water park, only with a lot less fun and a lot more chaos. Just when you thought the ground beneath your feet was stable, landslides come along to keep things interesting. They don't just move dirt, they rearrange entire neighborhoods in the blink of an eye. It's like Mother Nature's version of extreme landscaping, but without the before and after photos you'd want to keep. One minute you're soaking up the sun, the next you're running from a storm that decided to crash the party. It's like the weather got jealous and decided to turn your relaxing day into an action-packed escape scene. Landslides have the power to turn a peaceful hillside into a downhill expressway in seconds. They can move mountains, literally, bringing tons of earth and rock crashing down with unstoppable force. A storm is nature's way of shaking things up, literally. It's a chaotic mix of wind, rain, and thunder, like the sky throwing a temper tantrum. When a storm rolls in, everything else takes a backseat to the sheer power of nature on full display. Tornadoes are like nature's own spinning top, twisting and turning with a whirlwind of fury. They can turn a calm day into a dizzying spectacle, picking up everything in their path as they dance across the landscape. After witnessing these powerful moments, it's clear that nature demands our respect. Each event serves as a reminder of the fragile balance we live in. The earth beneath us can shake, the skies above can roar, and the seas can rise without warning. As we continue to explore and inhabit this planet, we must remember to tread carefully. Mother Nature's power is unmatched, and her wrath can strike at any moment. Stay safe, and always be prepared for the unexpected.